everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply plastic snaps. The little snaps make all the difference in our projects because they have different colors, different shapes, and if you match together they will make our projects amazing. You need to try it and it's very easy, so come with me. To which set we are going to need 2 caps, 1 stud male, 1 socket female, and a snap applier. We just need to grab our cap and press it to our fabric on the place we want to apply it. On the way around, we're going to get our stud, the male one, okay, and we're going to put on it like this. We need just press a little bit. Now with our snap applier we're going to put our cap on this black platform like this, okay, and we are going to press it like this. All done. Right? So other way around we going to do the same process. Okay, we will press the snap into the fabric a little bit, so it will make a mark, and then on the middle we can make a hole, and then we will grab another cap, okay, and we gonna get our socket, the female, and we are going to do the same process. Press a little bit and press it, and that's it, all done. Now you can use it on your projects like this. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to tell me on the comments which is your favorite shape and color. Mine is pink, but I'm always running off the black ones. So don't forget to subscribe, turn the notifications on so you can be notified for the next video. See you soon. Hello everyone. Plastic. Hello everyone. Today, don't forget to turn the ring. I would love to see your projects. I hope you enjoy it.